Imagine flipping a light switch and watching your room brighten instantly. Ever wondered how that electricity travels all the way to your home? The answer is a fascinating journey that begins far from your doorstep. At the heart of it all lies the power plant. Here, energy is generated, whether by burning coal, harnessing the rush of water, capturing wind, or converting sunlight. Massive turbines spin, producing high-voltage electricity, but this is only the first step. Next, the electricity enters the transmission network. This vast web of high-voltage power lines stretches across fields, mountains, and cities. The voltage is kept extremely high to make the long-distance journey efficient and minimize energy loss. But high voltage isn't safe for everyday use. So, substations step in. These facilities are a crucial pit stop. They receive electricity from power plants and use transformers to lower the voltage just enough for regional distribution. You can think of substations as relay stations, making sure the power gets where it needs to go. From there, electricity travels through smaller power lines to distribution transformers, often perched atop utility poles or tucked inside metal cabinets in your neighborhood. These transformers reduce the voltage one last time, making it safe for homes and businesses. Finally, electricity enters your house through service wires, ready to flow into outlets and appliances with just a simple switch. Each step, generation, transmission, substations, transformers, and distribution, is part of a carefully engineered relay race, ensuring reliable energy wherever you need it. The next time your lights come on, remember the invisible journey every electron takes. It's a story of precision and innovation, powering life as you know it. The system is complex, but its purpose is simple: delivering energy safely, efficiently, and reliably to you.